I have this dollhouse that I got off of Facebook Marketplace. It's a really antique dollhouse, and I thought it was perfect for my daughter. Thing is, you can see it has a little bit of wear and tear. And my plan is to paint the windows inside and out, the door, and then these little lines here white, and then this, keep it pink, but maybe more like a softer pink. And then in here, I want to keep it just the way it is. I think everything is perfect, but like I said, the other side needs some attention. And then the roof, I'll probably paint it white. So yeah, I like going for the pastel colors, and then the pink that I want to go for is kind of like that. So it's very similar, but it'd be nice to give it like a refresh look. And then you can see it here on the horse too. Now I'm about to create the flower boxes out of popsicle sticks. I have tons of popsicle sticks, and I'm going to be using the thicker ones. Okay, so these are the finished planters. All have been painted. I don't really care how they look in the inside because those are gonna be covered by the flowers anyways. I had quite a bit of flowers that I got from a secondhand store, and I just selected the colors that I wanted. I love the pastel colors, and so this is one of the finished ones. I don't have much of those colors, so I have to go ahead and see if I can divide them up equally and see what I can do with that. But yes, this is the finished product right here. So the roof is currently drying. I had to give it like 3 coats. There you go. You can kind of still see some of the gray showing, but this is already the 3rd coat, so if it ends up having some sort of texture, that's fine. It's a roof after all. And so now I'm going to start painting the body of the house. You can see it's already like a light peachy pink, but I'm going more for this tone, which is very similar, but this one's more like pastel pink.